Hello students, good evening to all of you. Today we will see the question number 33 which was asked in the CBSE 2024 in chemistry. This question basically asked from the amine chapter and very important chapter also, which include the very important chemical reactions of the amine chapter. ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि अमाइन चैप्टर के सभी लगभग इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को कवर करता है. लेट्स सी एन अमाइड ए विथ मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला C7H7ON undergoes Hammond bromide degradation reaction to give amine B. B on treatment with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin form C on treatment and on treatment with chloroform ethanoic potassium hydroxide forms D. C on treatment with the ethanol gives E. Identify A, B, C, D, E and write the sequence of chemical equation involved. So this was the problem. Basically it is a very important problem. Let's see the solution. Let's see the solution, students. So what will be the A? A will be this one, amide CONH2. So this will be the amide, this will be the A, and the molecular formula C7H7ON. You can calculate it molecular formula this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 7 hydrogen and 1 oxygen and 1 nitrogen. So on A with molecular formula C7H7ON undergoes Hammond bromide degradation reaction. Hammond bromide degradation reaction will come under the Br2 plus NaOH. Br2 plus NaOH. So in the Hammond bromide degradation reaction, what will happen there? That is the CO of the amide will be removed. CO of the amide will be removed, and what will be remain? That is the NH2 will be remain. So this will be formed here. That is the B compound will form. This will be the B compound and lin will form. And B on treatment with nitrous acid at 278 Kelvin form C. B on reaction with nitrous acid. What is the formula of nitrous acid? NaNO2. NaNO2 HCl. It will react at 278 Kelvin and form the compound C. Form the compound C, that is diazonium sub N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium 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 chloride, that is the it will form the compound C. This will be the C will form, and on treatment with chloroform and ethanoic hydroxide B, what is the form B? B on treatment with, that is B on treatment with chloroform CaCl3 plus ethanoic KOH. It will forms is the B. It will form compound D. And what is this reaction? When aniline react with the 1 degree amine react with the chloroform and KOH, what will form? That is the isocyanide will form. Benzene isocyanide. So this compound D will form, and C on treatment with ethanol C on treatment with ethanol. C, this is the C. On treatment with ethanol, C2H5OH, it will give, that is the, here N2 plus and Cl minus will be removed. Simply benzene will form. This will be the form, that is the benzene. So these are the ABCD compound. This is the amide C7H7ON. On treatment with the Br2 NOH Hauptmann bromide degradation reaction, CO of the amide will be removed and compound B aniline will form. That the CO will be removed from here and NH2 will be attached to aniline. And aniline when react with the nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin, 278 Kelvin, it will form benzene diazonium chloride, and benzene diazonium chloride when react with the ethanol, it will form the benzene. It will form the benzene, that is the E. And B when react, B on treatment with the chloroform and ethanoic potassium hydroxide forms D. So D will be that is the when aniline or 1 degree amine will react with the chloroform and QH, carbamine reaction will be formed. That is the it will convert in the isocyanide. Aniline will convert into the isocyanide. So these are the reaction. Hope you got the concept. Thank you.